Yo guys, Spread Love RC back with you again on a glorious day. And today I got a special guest with me.
Oh, that's a joke, man.
Big Joe Savage.
Irie.
Right.
Good morning.
Right, so Joe Savage is gonna give me my first try on his FPV car. Alright, we're gonna make this video, see how it feels to drive an RC car in FPV in preparation for my stinky pinky Fpv-Rc car. Yeah? Let's go. Spread Love RC.
Yeah, bro. This is like some old vintage thing. Some man, what is it? Werewolf. It's not. I put some new tires on because the old tires were burnt. Burnt out. Get these on.
Right, goggles for the first time.
The best remote there is out there, bro. The best. The best.
I say Fly Sky, but this looks like it's from the 80s.
Yeah, man. That's the retro. That's how we do the retro thing.
I think I need to sit down for this one. Right. Mind the Porsche, mind the Porsche. That feels crazy. Oh, you can bring it far. Apart from that big ass camera before. Look at me turning my head like I'm going around the corner. Now I can see why ADHD and Baldy are excited. Have you ever licked it out? Yeah. Never. It is.
Drive more careful.
Yeah.
See the reception on the bottom left.
Yeah.
So you'll have how many lines? They're full.
Yeah.
So that means the reception's full. So that means you're waiting for
Alright, so let me give a little push now. Yeah, see. Alright, let's go around this. Oh, there's water, shit. There's water over there. Do you know what? I can see how you can get addicted to this. And I can see how if everyone had one. Woo! We can get right up to that post and drift it. Alright, let's do a lap on. Ooh, that was a bit too close.
Let me do just be afraid.
Yeah, of course, I don't want to smash a man
Can you
car.
feel the paranoia from it?
Yeah, only because...
The adrenaline from it, sure, that's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
You feel it. Watch me now.
So what are you doing? You're gonna bring it downstairs and back up? Do you know where back up is? Yeah, back up's over there where you are. That way is to go down. Yeah.
Slipping like fuck. Yo! Thank you. You need to get FPV.
Hey there, sir.
That's what you guys are up to. Just make a YouTube video. I have contacted control, so they are watching. I would say just try and keep them up here. It's only just because down the other levels, obviously, basically, it's just that if cars come up,
No,
they ain't going to see them. Like,
No, you know what it was? That was just a tester. I was like,
I get it, I just seen it coming, I was like, that's a camera on that, isn't it? I was like, where's this coming
what are you
from?
saying? It's cut off in front of you or something? Yeah, because it paused in front of you, so I had to run over there, get the reception back.
Oh, okay, yeah,
It was you in the corner
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
wasn't
that was
it?
me in the corner. I was just like, where's this come from? I'm looking about and there's like one other car there and I know it ain't come from there. I'm like, where's this? So I thought I'd come up here and have a look.
Yeah, that was good detective work.
All I was going to say, if you guys are going to go anywhere else in the centre, please contact Lakeside Patrol. Otherwise, you'll have security all over here chasing you around the site. So I play too much Call of Duty, so I seen that and I'm like, RCXD.
Well, they use them in Call of Duty, don't they?
Yeah, that's what I mean. I seen that coming. I was like, they're okay with you being up here.
Yeah.
One second. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, yeah. Just keep them up here.
Yeah, man.
One of my guys kicking off, get them to like stop completely, but I'm pretty sure like they look cool as shit. Though. All right, guys, I'll leave you to it.
Thank you very much, man.
Cheers,
All
guys.
So,
right, yo, guys, that is the end of a mad FPV session with Big Joe Savage and his RC Car Carlton.
I feel like.
All right, guys, so that was mad fun. I had fun with that. I can see how addictive it is. Compared to, I'm gonna make one.
Hurry up.
It's precision. It's definitely precision. So as you're going around, you can see everything. And if you want to get close to a post and drift around it or take it sharp, you can. Whereas when you're standing with an RC car, you're not too sure, you're not too confident. You don't want to ruin your car.
Do you feel it's faster or slower than the actual stood up and versus FPV? Is it faster or slower?
I mean, if you're racing, if you stood up driving your car around, I feel like you move faster. However, FPV is slower, but it's more precise. It doesn't really matter if there's 5 of you, you're gonna have fun, you're gonna have a good race.
Do you feel your adrenaline was higher in the FPV than it was in the normal trigger happy pappy thing that you like?
Adrenaline wise, I feel like if we're all racing RC cars, yeah, it's more intense. However, like I said, if you've got more than one FPV car, 3, and you're all running similar speed, going around, I think that will be more intense. That will be more fun, it will look more realistic, and your footage would be sexy. So, I'm recommending Fpv-Rc, and I look forward to building mine. So that's it from me. Spread love. Big Joe Savage. Peace.